In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital products in Canva. Whether you're building an ebook, a planner, or a pack of social media templates, the process is straightforward and beginner-friendly. First, open Canva, click Create a Design, and choose a size that matches your product. If you know the exact dimensions, enter custom dimensions. This is perfect for workbooks. If you're not sure, type ebook or planner into the search bar and start from one of those canvases. Choosing the right size now saves you from resizing later. Next, set the tone with your background and core elements. Pick a background color or image that supports your content and keeps text readable. Then start adding building blocks from the Canva library, text boxes for headings and body copy, lines and shapes to create sections, and icons to add visual cues. Use alignment tools and spacing controls to keep everything clean and consistent. Now make it yours. Arrange elements into a clear visual hierarchy, change fonts, colors, and sizes, and lean into your brand style. Pair a bold heading font with a simple body font, and stick to 2 or 3 colors for cohesion. For ebooks and multi-page planners, add hyperlinks so navigation feels seamless. Turn titles or buttons into links to specific pages or to outside resources. A clickable table of contents and next or back buttons make longer documents easy to use. Originality matters. Canva provides amazing ingredients, but your final product should be a new creation, not just a reskin template. Mix elements in fresh ways, redesign layouts, and write your own copy. Remember, you can't sell a single Canva element on its own. Your value comes from the complete, thoughtfully designed product you assemble. When you're ready to deliver, download your file. For ebooks, planners, and guides, choose PDF standard for digital delivery, or PDF print if your customers may print and want higher quality. Test your PDF to confirm that links work and pages look crisp. If you're selling editable templates, share a template link instead. Click Share, select Template Link, and send that URL to your customers so they can make a copy and customize it themselves. This is ideal for social media templates and reusable content kits. That's the whole process. Thanks for watching.